This is Kaini Fozi. You are watching APN News and here are some updates from the Northeast. The much-awaited Baichim Stadium at Namche has finally inaugurated by the Governor of Sikkim, Gengger Prasad, in the presence of Chief Minister Prem Singh Taman and host of other dignitaries on 31st October. Addressing the occasion, the governor said that the stadium would provide a platform to sharpen the skills of playing and watching professional football matches. At the function, Chief Minister Prem Singh Taman also mentioned that the stadium is named after the legendary footballer Baicham Bhutia, who won the prestigious Arjuna and Padma awards and bring laurels to the state. The arena has a state-of-art firefighting system, rainwater harvesting tank, digital scoreboard, boundary fencing, diesel generator set, green gallery and a parking facility for at least 50 cars. In a joint operation against cyber criminals, Delhi police along with East Garo Hills police arrested Felix, who is a Nigerian national, along with an unidentified Naga woman from Delhi near Tilak Nagar area in connection with an FIR filed earlier at William Nagar police station. The police seized as many as 11 mobile devices and 18 ATM cards from their possession. The duo has been brought to Meghalaya at William Nagar for further investigation. In a press statement, the Naga National Council parent body condemned the illegal military junta government of Burma for their ruthless actions of allegedly burning down churches in Chin State. The body alleged that such action is a serious threat towards all Christians, as it is completely in violation of international law and human rights. The NNC also appealed to all Christians to pray and seek protection and strength to overcome such harsh actions of military junta in Myanmar. Keo Onkoller, husband of legendary boxer Mary Kom, in a public meeting declared that he will be contesting in the upcoming Manipur Legislative Assembly election 2022 for Saikot Assembly constituency. Speaking to the media person, Onkoller told that the decision to step into politics was taken witnessing the backwardness of constituency, as many more developmental activities need to be taken up for the welfare of the people. Meanwhile, he said that he is yet to decide which political party to join, but would try to join the BJP, and if not, he would like to contest as an independent candidate.